Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am at the Little Bear Lodge. We're in the living room. I'm going to do a quick video tutorial. This is a Roku television, smart TV. It is enabled to receive the Wi-Fi, and then you've got Netflix, Prime, and Hulu, as well as Cable One. So being able to go through and access the different channels, you've got the control that you're going to utilize right here. Volume control right here on the right side of the clicker. Netflix, Hulu, and HDMI 1 ARC is going to be your Cable One. So if you have any further questions and need any assistance, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. The number is 208-634-0030. And if you have any questions utilizing the television that's down here, you can give us a call and we can help you run through it. Cheers.